Today, I'm going to show you how to start a skincare brand as a complete beginner in 2026. This video is not going to be a random tutorial video that leaves you with more questions or leaves you needing to watch 10 more videos on the same thing and you still don't start your skincare business. My approach will be showing you what to do and how to do it with this skincare business kit. Here's a little disclaimer about the business kit that will be featured in today's video. With that being said, let's crack on. The skincare industry is very large, and if you're interested in starting a business within it, you've probably done a little research about it. But I'll assume that you haven't, and I'll list out what is actually in the industry. We have the face care niche, the eye care niche, the lips care niche, the body care niche, hands and feet care niche, and the hair care niche. Whatever skincare product you decide to sell will definitely fall into one or more than one of these niches. As a complete beginner, even if you plan to sell everything, I highly recommend that you start with one niche, and then as you scale, you can add more products to it. My reason is because as you're starting out, nobody knows whether what you sell works or doesn't. Dividing your attention and marketing budget across different niches doesn't seem smart. So after choosing the products you want to sell, you need to decide how you want to sell them. The two business models that I recommend to our clients are the custom line business model and the wholesale business model. In the custom line model, you can either buy private label skincare products or you can make your own formulations if you are a licensed dermatologist or cosmetologist. Buying private label is very safe and cost efficient. It is the same business model that almost all the popular skincare brands that you know and use operate under. A manufacturer will make the product and list out all the benefits of the ingredients in the products. Then you buy them, add your brand logo or branding to the packaging, and then the product is yours. Whereas in the wholesale model, you buy brandless skincare product. Most times it is not brandless, it's just not going to be in your own brand's name. An example of that is buying Korean face sheet mask. You and your customer might not know the company that makes the product, but that doesn't mean that they will not buy it from you. Both business models need different capital sizes, so you need to decide on the one that you want to start and then start working on your budgeting to know how much will go into the product's production alone. For your skincare products to be profitable, it has to focus on solving a particular beauty problem or enhancing something. And this skincare ideas ebook inside the business kit has some interesting business ideas that you can use. The ideas are very niche and audience specific, so your business will definitely stand out for your ideal customer to notice you and trust you faster. Let's look at one of them. I'll be picking at random. The business I have chosen is this one. It's called Hyperpigmentation Kit for Face and Neck. The audience the business is for are people with mild to severe cases of hyperpigmentation around their face and necks. So one of the three ways to sell to this particular audience is to sell a minimalist kit that contains 3 to 5 face care products specifically for the level of hyperpigmentation that you're trying to minimize in your target audience. It could include a cleanser, toner, moisturizing lotion, vitamin C serum, sunscreen, etc. Okay, so right off, we can see that the idea wants you to create products whose routine application will not overwhelm this audience, and you're to focus on a specific hyperpigmentation level. If you do implement this business idea, you have a lot of fun educating people on the different levels of hyperpigmentation, which would position you and your brand as experts and get you so much trust within a short period of time. For the business tip attached to the idea, it says there are different levels of hyperpigmentation in different people. You cannot solve everyone's problems, so focus on a specific level, and as you scale, include more cases. That's exactly what I just said. But can you see how problem and audience specific this business idea is? That's what gets you to stand out in the market and scale at a fast rate. There are other face care business ideas as well as body care, eye care, and lips care business ideas. If you struggle with coming up with or validating whether the business idea you want to start will be profitable or not, you can use this ideas ebook. The skincare manufacturer I'll be featuring in this part of the video from the 10 in the business kit is this company. While I'm showing you their website, let me briefly share what you stand to gain from them if you use them for your new skincare business. First things first, they are the type of manufacturer that specializes in producing all kinds of skincare products, from face care products to body care products to eye care products to hands and feet care products to hair care products. The list is endless. Whether you want to buy private label or you want to buy them in wholesale, there's so much in each category that you can pick from. Another thing I think you would be interested in knowing is that they offer samples that you can test out with your customers before you commit to a bulk purchase. They are very okay with working with a small brand of your size. And even when your brand grows bigger, they are still going to be a perfect fit for it because they can supply hundreds of thousands of skincare products to you every month. In terms of product quality, all our customers that have used them have no complaints, and I'm sure you wouldn't also. Besides this manufacturer, there are 9 others in the kit that have the same qualities that I am sure you would like. The contact details you'll be getting on each of them includes their registered company name, their physical address, their website address, like what I've been showing you, their email address for those that have that, and lastly, their socials. So that's their Skype ID or WhatsApp number. To work with the manufacturer so that you don't come across as a beginner, you'll need this business guide. It is inside the skincare business kit. Let me show you what you get to learn from the guide. From chapter 1, you learn the fundamentals of working with Chinese manufacturers. In chapter 2, you learn how to professionally communicate with them. So questions you should be asking them, the right or wrong methods of reaching out, and so much more. In chapter 3, you learn how to professionally negotiate with the manufacturers. In this chapter, you learn how to create leverage for your business as well as other negotiation tips that will help you close deals. In chapter 4, you learn how to negotiate the manufacturer's MOQ. An MOQ is the minimum number of products that a manufacturer expects you to buy from them for them to consider doing business with you. If you want to learn more about it, why manufacturers add it to their products, how to get a manufacturer to be less strict about it when it comes to you and your business, this chapter answers that. In chapter 5, you learn how to pay the manufacturers safely and securely. In the last chapter, you learn how to ship your order. Each chapter was written by the experts in our company who have years of experience working with this manufacturing company. So everything you're learning is from experience, no random assumptions. Also, you get some script and messaging templates in the guide that you can use to communicate with the manufacturers. For both your new business's branding and marketing, you need to allocate part of your capital to it. Both parts are important because while branding is focused on perception, your marketing is what makes your ideal customer see you and trust you enough to buy from you. Inside the business kit, there are some custom package manufacturers that you can use. We've vetted and verified each of them, and you'll get their full contact details as well. These are the areas of your new business that you will need to figure out and allocate certain parts of your capital towards. Marketing your new skincare brand would require you learning how to do both organic and paid advertising. You also need to learn how to use both influencers and UGC marketing, and you will need to have good content pillars that will bring your business visibility and sales from the first month. The mistake most beginners make is thinking that they have to figure this part out by themselves, even though they don't know what they are doing. So if you can, here is my advice: hire people that will do it for you. What you think you'll figure out by yourself will take you months, or try multiple things here and there and losing valuable time, because majority of the time what you're trying out will never work for your business. Whereas if you were to hire a professional, they will know what to do and how to do it so that you see your desired result fast enough. Fortunately for you, we happen to know and work with some of these professionals, and when a client decides to become a private client by getting a paid program, what is on the screen right now, they get access to a ton of these professionals and a lifetime access to our business community. The professionals I mean are marketing agencies, social media managers and agencies, graphic designers, and other custom branding professionals. If you want access to any of this, reach out to us here and we'll get you into our private coaching programs. I'll leave the information about how to reach out to us or links to the private programs in the description box as well. If in the future things change from what you're seeing on the screen, you can use what is in the description box. The skincare business kit is up for purchase. You already know what is inside it and how to use it. This is how you can get it. I'll leave our website link in the description box. I think it is very important that I mention that since January this year, this skincare business kit has been purchased by over 1,232 people and counting. What that means is that these 1,232 people purchased the skincare business kit, got access to the manufacturers and every other thing in the kit, and now they are getting the customers that you should have been selling to. So if you're still hesitant about getting the kit, you continue to miss out. And then by December, you'll be sitting here wondering how you still haven't started your skincare business. But by that time, your competitors have gained your customers' trust and have sold out their November Black Friday sales and their December holiday sales, all because they saw our video just like you and they took action immediately. So my question to you is, are you going to like the video, add it to your watch later list and forget all about it? Or are you going to get the skincare business kit, go over every step of this video and start putting everything in plan? While you're thinking of your answer, if you have any questions about this video or the skincare business kit, if that is what is holding you back, feel free to ask them in the comment section or reach out to us through any of our socials in the description box. I will get back to you personally. Also, subscribe and let us grow our community here. See you in the next video.